guys, this is our 5-minute makeup look, and yeah, I feel like I can go anywhere with this look. Grocery, the mall, or I don't know, maybe bring the kids to school if school's back. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my go-to quick makeup look. If I am going somewhere na hindi naman pabonggahan, I don't usually wear na foundation. I just put, conceal my dark spots. And I'm using actually my favorite concealer at the moment, si L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And then I'm going to get a fluffy brush for this. I'm going to stipple that product in. I love this concealer because it dries matte and the coverage is amazing. Hindi ko na tinatakpan yung super daming blemish. Yun na lang talagang major. So sometimes let the skin breathe also. So yeah. And then, for the eyebrows, I cannot go out of the house, go somewhere without putting an eyebrow product. But since nagmamadali tayo, actually kahit di nagmamadali, I like to use eyebrow pencil as opposed to pomades or parang liquid brows. Anong tawag sa ganun? Basta, this one from Spotlight Cosmetics Mega Hit Eyebrow Pencil with Spoolie in Classic Brown is one of the easiest product that I've tried and worked with. And it's very beginner friendly. And as you can see, my brows are already done. And that's not even 1 minute. I like running my pencil back and forth kasi kung yung hair natin is going to one direction, pagka yung lapis mo is going also to the same direction, natatakpan yung skin underneath the hair. So, by doing a backward stroke, the skin that is not coated underneath will be coated with the product. We don't really aim for perfect brows for an everyday look. We just want to make sure that, the brows are there para lang to frame the face. So for me, I think as long as meron na siyang structure like this, okay na siya. And then if you have a clear brow mascara, just, brush your brows up. This one that I'm using is Lash and Brow Gel Fix and Care. I like to use this. This is from Art Visage. I like to use this kasi it has actually provitamin B5 that is good for your brows. Okay, and then next is the eyes. I could either curl my lashes and put mascara, or I can use very quickly yung mga liquid eyeshadow, such as this one from Spotlight Cosmetics. This is their Enchanting Brown liquid eyeshadow. So I'll just pop it on there and then use my finger to spread and blend. As easy as that. So in using products like this, it's better to start with a very small amount of product first, and then just go amplify it if you want. But these kinds of products actually dry up fast, so it's better if you work with a small amount first and then just gradually increase it. Gradually increase as you go along. Okay, and then I'm actually contemplating whether to use a lip tint or multi-use mousse like this. The reason why that is because we usually wear masks outside, and if you're going to use this, it's actually going to transfer to your mask. But the product formulation is really very nice. But for lip tints like this, or yung mga ganito, hindi siya nagta-transfer. I actually have another favorite, which is this BLK Cosmetics Love Story Mini All Over Paint. Kasi it also does not transfer, but the consistency is not liquid. It's a bit thicker than liquid. So I guess I'll just use this one. Again, in using these kinds of products, it's better to use a small amount first and then gradually just increase. You can even put this on your lips. Did you know that? It's so nice. And I guess whatever is left, apply it on the lips as well. For this makeup look, we're not aiming for anything perfect. We're just aiming for a presentable look, kind of look. So after that, we're going to use this BLK Mini All Over Paint in the shade Glow for a little highlight. I love how compact this highlighter is. Fits in the pouch perfectly. And look at that. The glow is really very natural looking. With this product, a little goes a long way. Okay, I'm gonna put that also at this inner corner and at the center of the eyelids. Now we're gonna blend. And finally, for the mascara, let's just curl our lashes. And I really like to use this. This is the new collection from Vice Cosmetics and Antklutz. This is their Super Mega Ultra Curl Mascara, and I love the formula. Simple, but looks good. I just love this because the way the wand and the spoolie is designed, it just grabs all the hair and coats it with mascara. Perfect for people with very short and sparse lashes like me. And that's it, guys. This is our 5-minute makeup look. And yeah, I feel like I can go anywhere with this look. Grocery, to the mall, or I don't know, maybe bring the kids to school if school's back. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and please subscribe for more. See you on my next video. Bye!